A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying our first chapter, that is categories of computer and computer languages. Today we are going to move to part 3 of this chapter. Now, today first of all we will study about output devices. First of all, what are output devices? Just we will see a quick recall. Okay, we will say that. Now, output devices are the devices which we can see, touch, feel. Okay, जिससे हमको result मिलती है. The output which we can get, for example, the monitor on the computer. Okay, the part of a computer, that is a monitor. तो monitor पे हमको result दिखती है. We get the output. Is it clear? Now, in this chapter, we will be going to study in detail about some of the output devices. Output devices convey information from the computer to the user. That means the result which we can say. जो computer user को देता है, that means हमको देता है. Let us discuss now. We are having some output devices, that is LCD projectors, Braille printers and plotters. Now these are some new terms for you. Okay, LCD projectors, Braille printers and the plotters. The first one is the liquid crystal display projector. You can say that LCD projector. You have to learn the full form. Dear children, sometimes you have seen also. I will show you the picture of an LCD projector. It looks like this. This projector is being fixed on the top, like on the ceiling it is being fixed, and then we can see the pictures on a white wall. Okay, we can see all the information. We can see the result. It is a type of an LCD projector, that is a liquid crystal digital projector. Now, it shows the output from a computer on a large screen. It is commonly used for displaying presentation during meetings and conferences. Now, it is used for meeting and conferences, and it is also showing us the result as well. Is it clear? Yes? Next, Braille printer. Now dear children, it is a type of a printer, like when we are taking out the printouts from that printer. It is being used by the blind people, yes, who are learning to read. With the help of that paper, they are able to recognize the letters on it. Okay, they are being printed in such a way that they are able to recognize each and every letter by the paper which we get from the Braille printer. I will show you the picture as well. See, this is a type of a Braille printer, and we are getting the paper in such a form that a blind person can read the whole paper. Understood? Now, it is an embosser, produces Braille printouts, pattern of raised dots of computer file. Raised dots means जैसे कि उस पर जो लिखा हुआ होता है वो इतना ऊपर होता है कि हम अपनी फिंगर्स मूव करते हैं, so we can easily read the letters A, B, C. We can easily read it like it. It works with a software that translate text to Braille. ये एक ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ वर्क करता है that transfers our text. Is it clear? Next, plotter. It is a printing device that is used for high quality graphics, charts, tablets and diagrams. Plotters use inkjets to create graphics on a paper or a polyester film. Now this type of output device is being used by the graphic designers, the interior designers, and I will show you the photo as well. This is a type of a plotter. We can get the printout from it like this. Understood? And it is also used for polyester film as well. We can get the color printout, and these type of printers, output devices, are being used by the interior designers, graphic designers and all. Further, we were having, they are being commonly used in computer aided design, that is CAD. It is a type of a design software. It is a type of a designer software. And a computer aided manufacturing, that is CAM. These are the two types of software, the graphic software which the person are using. For printing plans for houses, as I have told you, it is being used by the interior designers or the civil engineers, car parts, machinery, etc. Understood? They are being used for making the plans of houses, car parts, machineries, for each and everything like this. Okay? Plotters are of four types. Now there are four types of plotters, that are drum plotter, micrographic plotters, inkjet plotter and flatbed plotters. You have to just learn the types of the plotters. You have to just remember the name. That's it. Not to go in so much in detail. Okay? I hope you are clear with these three output devices. I know there were some technical terms, but I have made you as easy as possible. Okay? Next. This you have seen the pictures, the type of the output devices, the LCD, then the braille and the plotter. Next you are having software. Now software refers to the computer programs that are needed for running or operating a computer. Like for example, Microsoft Windows 10 is a type of a software. It is a type of an operating system. With the help of the software, we can run the computer. Okay? हम सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से कंप्यूटर को रन कर सकते हैं. We can work with the computer. A program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions to perform a particular task. Now, dear children, first of all, the software can be classified into system software, utility software and application software. These are the three types of the software. So what are the three types of the software? You will write down the answer like this: system software, utility software and application software. Further, we are having the types of system software as well: operating software, device drivers, language translators. These are the three types of system software. Then application software, general purpose software and customized software. Dear children, I hope you are clear with the classification of software. We will study about them in detail in our further video lessons. Okay? Now, there is a time for your worksheet. What you have to do? You have to draw the classification of software in your notebook. You have to draw this whole diagram. You have to learn it and then you have to draw it in your computer notebook. Is it clear, dear children? I hope you are very much clear in this video lesson. We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.